How to add coupons on Temu app. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. If you have some of the exclusive coupons you are looking forward to use in your Temu, fear not, it is a quick and easy process. Start off by opening up your Temu application in your device. If you have not signed in into your Temu account, mind it to go ahead and sign in firstly. Now to add coupons on your Temu app, the first thing that you should do is purchase an item off your Temu. So just tap on the cart icon. Once you are done, just click on the cart option. From here, in order to check out, tap on the checkout button. From here, you need to scroll down and select a payment method. After you have successfully selected a payment method, scroll down until you find the option of Apply Promo Code. You need to click on it. After which you will see a dialog box like this. In here, you can simply enter the coupon code that you have and tap on the Apply button. If the coupon code is valid, you'll be able to receive some of the perks and benefits out of it. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.